How to use Library Discovery. Library Discovery is essentially Belfast Met Library's version of Google. It acts as a search engine that brings together a vast number of academic resources to which the library service subscribes. Library Discovery can be accessed either by typing your search term into the box on the Library Canvas homepage or by going to the eResources page, clicking on the L tab and then on the link for Library Discovery. The Library Discovery homepage is relatively simple to navigate. Enter your search term in the search bar and click on the magnifying glass. Searches have already been limited to full text and available via our library. An advanced search is available. This allows you to search with multiple search terms or to exclude terms. Publications and research starters, if available, are displayed above the search results. Results can be refined by applying filters. Click on the All Filters button below the search box to display them. Results can be refined in various ways, such as by date, by source type, or by subject. To read an article on the results list, click on the Access options and then on the resulting link. To see more information on an article, click on View Details. The tools at the top of the record allow you to save the article to your dashboard, copy this citation for referencing, add the article to a project on your dashboard, share a link to the article, download the article. If you use an article in your assignment, it is important that you cite your source. Click on the Cite tool and select a citation style from the drop-down menu. Most courses use the Harvard system. Click on the Copy to Clipboard link and paste the citation into your document. Articles you have saved and projects you have created can be found in My Dashboard. Projects enable you to collect and organise content into folders. Click on the plus sign to create a new project. Give the project a name, maybe an assignment title, add a due date and a description if needed. The project will be listed in the Project section. To add articles to the project, click on the three vertical dots beside the title and choose Add to Project. Choose a project from the list or create a new project and click Add Now.